guys, so doing a very random Target haul today. I had something else planned, but I went to Target and actually hit the jackpot for some things. Got some home decor, some fashion, some kid stuff. So I will have everything linked in the description bar and the comment section below. Very easy for y'all to shop, numbered up on screen. And we will go ahead and get started with number one. Originally, I was not sure if I wanted a runner in our like mudroom area. And then ultimately, I just have decided it does need one. I want one for the look. And so I found this very pretty one today. I didn't want something that was like too formal, but I wanted something that was warm, and they actually had a lot of options. Full and open in a second, but I am planning on doing a video about organizing, like a reel or TikTok about organizing our mudroom. So you'll see it there too if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok. Ooh, I love that. It's like nothing too crazy. It's simple, but still kind of boho. I like it. Okay. Ooh. Does need a little rug pad underneath. I wasn't sure if it was going to though, but I think we have some corners, but yeah, it moves easy. And then I also got this, which is not exciting at all. It is literally a gray, ugly outside doormat, but we needed one for right outside the garage because our garage just still tracks in a lot of like dust and stuff. And we've like blown out there since we moved in. So I needed an outdoor one. For decor, I hit the jackpot. So Diane von Furstenberg has like a whole line. I don't know exactly how long it's gonna last, but they had home decor, fashion, like bathing suits, and I thought this Lazy Susan was so pretty. It's really heavy. It just says it's a stone board. It says it's intended for serving cheese, meat, and other appetizers, so don't use it for cutting, but it doesn't seem like it's something, you know, you can't put like a cheese on. Like some things I'm a little specific about that for. So I just thought the colors of it were really pretty, and they had a couple different patterns, but I loved that one. I am loving Target artwork right now. I think this is the best their artwork has ever been. But these are Studio McGee, which, no wait, this is Threshold? Yeah, with Studio McGee. And her stuff is just absolutely incredible. So I love this photo. I thought it would look really pretty in our kitchen. And then I also got this 2-pack of artwork. Isn't it pretty? So I got this because I was going back and forth about artwork in our bathroom, and I was like, you know what? Like that artwork is gonna change a million times over the course of my life and living here. I was like, just get fun artwork. Just get artwork that you like. It doesn't have to be like as big of a deal as the artwork over the fireplace because that's so large. So I just got these. You can kind of see what they're gonna look like in that product image there, but gorgeous. I got this really pretty beige marble tray. It has a little bit of a texture on the side, but I wear kind of the same jewelry pieces every single day, just like the same few, and then I'll add extra things in. My child is so tall, he's starting to be able to like reach and grab them, and so I needed like a bowl, but I wanted one that was large, and I feel like this is just really gorgeous. It's gonna look good on the counter next to the quartz that we have. So I grabbed that. It is very heavy. And then I also got this. I wanted a dark like amber glass pump for hand soap. Sam and I usually just like, we just always have, we just walk to the half bath if we're in the kitchen and need to like wash our hands with soap. And like recently we've had a few people come over and they'll go to like wash their hands in our kitchen sink, and they're like, and so I was like, okay, we probably need to just get a hand soap for in here, even though we rarely wash our hands in the kitchen sink. We just go to the half bath because it's right there. But grabbed that. I did actually grab a Mrs. Meyer's, the rose scent is one of my top faves. So I grabbed that to put in here. I grabbed 2 sets of the boxes of command hooks. I find that at least Target has the widest selection of command hooks. My Walmart is just always like picked through, and I needed a lot for our mudroom. So again, I'm doing a little like mudroom transformation, reel, TikTok, and that's what these are for. So I grabbed those, and then of course I could not go to Target without getting my boys something. So I got them some washable chalk because we have a huge walking pad or huge just concrete pad outside of our house. And so Ezra loves to like color and draw now. It's one of his favorite things. So I wanted to get him some chalk to do that. Unfortunately, my son's formula is like, I don't know if it's just people are starting to figure out it's a good formula or what, but we use an organic formula that you cannot find anywhere right now. They're having another shortage of it. So I ended up getting the Bobby Organic Infant Formula. This is very highly rated. And I know it's not good to like change out formulas and it's not always a quick process, but I literally can't find my son's anywhere. So I grabbed 3 of these. They are definitely hefty price tag, especially for the amount, but gotta do what you gotta do. These, I don't know what I'm doing. Training pants. We're gonna start potty training Ezra soon. He is so ready, showing like 100% of the signs. But I saw those and grabbed them. If you guys do your nails at home, this is hands down the best brand for like products. I like their nail polish. I do find that some of their colors are better than others, but as far as like tools, Olive and June hands down. So I got some of their dual-sided nail files and then also some of their nail and cuticle buffers. I'm telling you right now, it does not matter what brand you've used, cuticle pusher, nail file, buffers, nail oil, any of it, if it is this brand, it's the best. And then I grabbed 4 outfits. So I've been very into athleisure, athletic wear, like basically taking athletic clothing and then just styling it cute so that I don't have to change at the end of the day. Got this little like onesie situation. It's blue. It does have, the back is like ribbed and completely open, and I grabbed a large. This is the JoyLab brand. I don't know how it fits, but because I'm a 34 double D, I just figured a large would be the better option. This is actually a dark blue color. It's coming off a little bit black on screen, but really comfy. In the back, you can very much so see if you are or are not wearing a sports bra. So just a heads up on that, but something you could work out in, walk in. I would say this is a very low intensity workout outfit if you don't want to wear an additional sports bra underneath. But I went with a large because I have 34 double Ds and just didn't want anything else popping out. And I think that was a good call. So I grabbed this. This is Universal Thread. Cropped light blue jacket. This feels very, very soft. And I've been wanting something lightweight, athleisure. Sharing some really cute Target finds, starting with this cropped, it's very cropped actually, hoodie. It does have a hood on the back, zipper up the front, no pockets, and then drawstrings here. Long sleeve, super cute and lightweight. I actually like, if you guys have ever felt the like Lululemon, is it the Scuba? I think that's what it is. And then also there's an Amazon version of that too. That one's really thick. This is much lighter weight than that, a lot softer. So that's actually what made me gravitate towards this, but it's from Target and super, super cute. And then another thing from JoyLab, I got, look how cute. So gray shorts, and then gray jacket. Okay, so this is not a set, but it is like they were hanging together and come in set colors, but you buy them separate. The shorts are super lightweight, really comfy. This is not something I would wear like out of the house, these shorts specifically. These are home, but don't want to be in pajama shorts. Or you could work out in these. They're from JoyLab, so they're for sure like a more athletic brand, but they're definitely on the shorter side. And then cropped jacket, again, hood, drawstring. This one does not have any pockets. And then this one does have one of those like thumb holes right there, which I understand if you want to wear this while working out, but personally I don't use those. So cute, comfy, fits true to size. So I'll have it linked. I got these in because I ordered them. You guys, if you've been here since 2020, you remember those denim shorts that I got from Target. They were 25 bucks, high-waisted. I wore them constantly, so much to the point that I ended up buying 2 additional pairs so that when they were in the washing machine, I could still have them. Well, I finally found another pair, but I like these because they're actually significantly longer. They look like reasonable shorts. Your butt's not hanging out of these. They have buttons all the way up the front. They have real pockets. They're high-waisted. There's no distressing on them except for just a little bit of the frays at the bottom. But these are just amazing. And I got them in 8s. And I like to have things in a couple different sizes because I get really bloated like around my cycle and all that kind of stuff. So I just like to have a bigger size just in case, so I'm always comfortable. But the 8s did not fit as good. So I got the 6s and I love those shorts. So that's why I ordered them. And if you guys just remember those shorts in 2020, like these are gonna be those denim shorts for me this year. These denim shorts I actually shared with y'all the other day, but I told you I got them in an 8. These are a 6. They fit way better. I just like to have a couple different sizes because like sometimes you're bloated and a 6 just isn't the most comfortable, but I love them. The only distressing is honestly just around the bottom here. There's no distressing or rips or anything in the shorts, which I love. The length is also nice, so very high-waisted. I would definitely say fits true to size. 6 is my true size, and these fit just perfect with a tiny bit of room here, but love them. That is it. Again, everything's gonna be linked for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this very quick impromptu video. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.